And yes, Congress leader Rahul Gandhi has stoked yet another controversy on the Hindutva debate. In a public address in Jaipur, Rahul Gandhi said that Hindu and Hindutvawadi were two different terms and that Hindutvawadi kill for power. He further went on to say that Mahatma Gandhi was a Hindu and Godse was a Hindutvawadi. Let's listen in to that detailed statement.
हिंदुत्ववादी अपनी पूरी जिंदगी सत्ता को खोजने में डाल देता है, लगा देता है। उसको सत्य से कुछ लेना देना नहीं, उसे सिर्फ सत्ता चाहिए और सत्ता के लिए वो कुछ भी कर डालेगा। किसी को मार देगा, कुछ भी बोल देगा, जला देगा, काट देगा, पीट देगा, मार देगा, उसे सत्ता चाहिए। उसका रास्ता सत्याग्रह नहीं, उसका रास्ता सत्याग्रह है। हिंदू भाई और बहनों, हिंदू अपने डर का सामना करता है। हिंदू खड़ा होकर अपने डर का सामना करता है और 1 इंच पीछे नहीं हटता है। वो शिवजी जैसे अपने डर को निगल जाता है, पी लेता है। हिंदुत्ववादी भाइयों बहनों अपने डर के सामने झुक जाता है, अपने डर के सामने वो मत्था टेकता है। हिंदुत्ववादी को उसका डर डुबा देता है और इस डर से उसके दिल में नफरत पैदा होती है। डर से नफरत पैदा होती है, गुस्सा आता है, क्रोध आता है। हिंदू डर का सामना करता है, उसके दिल में शांति पैदा होती है, उसके दिल में प्यार पैदा होता है, उसके दिल में, उसके अंदर शक्ति पैदा होती है। ये भाई और बहनों, हिंदुत्ववादी और हिंदू के बीच में फर्क है। मैं आपको ये भाषण क्यों दिया? क्योंकि आप सब हिंदू हो, हिंदुत्ववादी नहीं। और ये देश हिंदुओं का देश है, हिंदुत्ववादियों का नहीं। और आज अगर इस देश में महंगाई है, दर्द है, दुख है, तो ये काम हिंदुत्ववादियों ने किया है। हिंदुत्ववादियों को किसी भी हालत में सत्ता चाहिए। जैसे महात्मा गांधी ने कहा, मैं सच्चाई चाहता हूं, मैं सच्चाई ढूंढता हूं, मुझे सत्ता नहीं चाहिए। वैसे ही ये कहते हैं, मुझे सत्ता चाहिए, सच्चाई से मुझे कुछ लेना देना नहीं। सच्चाई जाए बाहर में, मुझे कुर्सी मिल जाए बस। और 2014 से इन लोगों का राज है, हिंदुत्ववादियों का राज है, हिंदुओं का नहीं।
And Gaurav Bhatia from the BJP now joining us on the phone line. Gaurav Bhatia, your response to what Rahul Gandhi has said.
Rahul Gandhi's statement has hurt the Hindu community deeply. And it is sad that the Gandhi Parivar has designed this sinister move to hurt the sentiments of the Hindu community and the soul of our country perpetually. Rahul Gandhi was saying that Janta Jai Bhav mein hame satta chahiye, and the entire country knows which family it is that can go to any extent to grab power. It is the Gandhi Parivar. And right from the earlier statement of Rahul Gandhi, when he said that Hindutva teaches to kill Sikhs and Muslims, Salman Khurshid comparing Hindus to Boko Haram and ISIS, and today yet again Rahul Gandhi insulting the most pious and tolerant religion of the country and the world. It is sad that this is happening again and again, probably to appease a particular community, keeping the UP elections and the other assembly elections in mind. And the people of these poll-bound states will teach a very strong lesson to the Gandhi Parivar.
But Gaurav Bhatia, this is not the first time that Rahul Gandhi has stoked the Hindutva debate, and especially this pattern seen ahead of the elections. Will this pitch really help the Congress?
The Congress is a party that does not have any ideology today. It is a party that communalizes every issue. It doesn't talk about development. It is a symbol of dynastic rule. And I must say and challenge Rahul Gandhi, would he even have the courage to make the same kind of utterances for the believers of any other religion, be it Islam or any other religion? The answer is a categorical no. He is hell-bent on hurting the sentiments of the Hindus and Hindus being tolerant, yet will not take these utterances and will retaliate with the power of their vote.
All right, Gaurav Bhatia, thank you for speaking to Republic this afternoon. Shahzad Poonawala also with us on the phone line now. Shahzad, where do you stand on what Rahul Gandhi has spoken?
Look, this has become a pattern. It's not a coincidence. It is a design, and the design is that Hinduon par karo chot taki mile vote bank ka vote. And therefore, you saw Salman Khurshid say Hindutva is equal to ISIS and Boko Haram. You had Rahul Gandhi say Hindutva equals to killing Sikhs and Muslims. You had Rashid Alvi say Hindus who chant Jai Shri Ram are Rakshas. And you had also the Congress party saying Hindutva terror and Hindu terror and saffron terror. And today, once again, they are saying Hindu Wadis are the ones who kill for power. Now, will they ever say this about any other faith? They will never say this about any other faith, because to appease a particular vote bank, the only possible solution that is left is that even in a rally related to price rise, they will attack and abuse and insult Hindus. And ironically, Rahul Gandhi and his sister pretend to be Chunavi Hindus just before elections. They go to temples, they put the lap and they say they are Shiv Bhakts, they are Janyudaris, and then they abuse Hindu faithfuls and call them terrorists. I think the Hindu community and entire people of India are outraged at this shameless display of vote bank politics in the name of pseudo-secularism.
And we particularly see this from Rahul Gandhi when the elections are around the corner, whether it comes to wearing the Janeu or visiting temples. And now the pattern that you see, especially in terms of how he's changing that pitch, whether it works for the Congress or not is something time will tell. Thank you, Shahzad, for speaking to Republic this afternoon.